German hypercar, the Porsche 918 Spyder is a hybrid monster. It comes with a 4.6-liter V8 and 2 electric motors, pushing it to 887 ponies and 944 pounds of torque. Quick pause. Join our Discord, link in bio. Due to its coolest feature, the hot lap button, it was the first legal production car to record a sub 7-minute Nuremburg lap, claiming its title from the Dodge Viper ACR. Only 918 of these cars were ever made, and due to demand, you can't get one for less than $1.6 million. Let me know in the comments. Can you name a better